All right, y'all, it's all about Mother's Day. And I'm going to share some easy recipes with you if I can figure out how to unfold this dough. I'm sharing some easy recipes because, you know, if you've got children old enough to make your Mother's Day treat, this will be easy for them. Now, I have sprayed the bottom of my pan because when I slice this, I want you to be able to, you know, get it up without tearing it up. All right, this crescent roll's a little longer than my pan. So, like I said, I'm just going to press those together. Now, I've got two 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Come on, work with me, cream cheese. What? Cream cheese is always so hard to get out of the pack to me. Weird, but it's so hard to open without losing half your cream cheese. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, Teresa? Do you find that hard? Oh, she ain't here. She's gone. All right. I've got my sugar. It's like 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So I'm just going to cream this up so that I can spread it over my crescent roll dough. So now we're going to just spread this in here. I may have to use my offset spatula. This is going to be real cream cheesy. And I love cream cheese. Like most mamas. Okay. Just want to get this, you know, spread out as evenly as you can. Because you don't want too much cream cheese in one place and not enough in another place. I forgot to add my eggs and my vanilla to the cream cheese. So what am I going to do now? I'm just going to stir it in. And it'll be delicious. You know, there's almost nothing you can't fix. The only thing I found out I cannot fix is scorching. If I scorch something, forget it.
Or salt something. Sometimes
well, you can put a potato. Salt. Yes, putting too much salt. But you can add a potato to what you've salted too much, and that potato will eat up some of that salt. Take it away. But
so, dads, if you make a mistake, see how easy you can fix it? It's not that big of a deal.
That's right. No need
when the
to.
kids are in the kitchen with you and it's chaos and you forget one ingredient, just add it in.
Yeah. See, that's good as new. Good as new. Every time I open this kind of container, look, this one popped early and I about jumped out of my drawers. It always scares me. So listen to all you new cooks out there, or even your seasoned cooks. Like me, I consider myself a seasoned cook. But, you know, mistakes are made. So don't be hard on yourself. You know, you can fix most everything. So now I'm going to unroll this all the way. And then we're going to place this on top of our cream cheese and our egg and vanilla, along with our sugar. So this really is so easy and so good. All right, now let's see. I need to beat my egg white until it's kind of frothy. And then I'm gonna spread it over the top of this, and it'll make it shiny and pretty. I don't think you need a mixer for this. You know, we don't need meringue. We just need it kind of frothy. And I call that frothy. Listen to the wind. The wind is whipping around. I thought winds were in March.
They're holding
March
over.
winds, April showers. Like I said, you just want to cover it all so it'll have that nice little sheen to it. And we're fixing to top it with more sugar. And that will give that something for that sugar to hold to. So just a little bit. But you know what? I think I'm gonna put my nuts next.
I just gave you the whole bag. It was lovely.
Thank you.
Because I know how there's no sense.
You know how I am, don't you? All right, y'all, hold your ears. These are already chopped walnuts, but sometimes I like to just give them a little beating. Need one more little beating. This recipe is actually in fact, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all which of my books this is in. And it just breaks my heart, but at some point, you know, when things were kind of up in the air, my favorite book in the whole world did not get reprinted. And it's this book, Paula Deen's Kitchen Classics. And if you have a copy of this, don't let anything happen to it. And maybe one day it'll get shined on and we can reproduce it. But until then, don't let anything happen to it. You know, if you wanted to doozy this up, you could put a pie filling on top of the cream cheese layer and make it a fruit. Make it a fruit one. Eddie, does that look like I've got it kind of spread kind of even?
That's the
Okay, 35 to 45 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And you're going to have a wonderful little treat for Mother on Mother's Day. So this is the easy coffee cake that I messed up. You know, I wound up beating up the cream cheese and the sugar and forgot to put in the egg yolk and the vanilla. So I just stirred it on the top into the cream cheese. So
No one's the wiser.
that's right. But I can't keep a secret like that. Because we all make mistakes. All right, now this is screaming. I'm talking about screaming loud for some vanilla ice cream or either sweetened whipped cream. Just a little dollop.
looks good.
Does look good, doesn't it?
I'd be a happy mom getting that.
Still one. And it's just delicious and so easy. It's real like a cheesecake almost. You know, it's so good. And, Teresa said, you and your variations. But there's so many ways that you can change this up. On top of the cream cheese, you could add a can of cherry pie filling or blueberry pie filling and take it completely in another direction. It is delicious. So you dads out there, grab your children, make this for Mommy on Mother's Day. And if it's possible, she'll love you even more. Happy Mother's Day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.